guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, you're probably thinking, Kat, why did you just say surprise? And that's because normally I upload on Mondays and today is Wednesday. Well, no, today is Tuesday that I'm filming this, September 1st. It's currently, what time is it? 6:51 a.m. I don't know how I am with this much energy. I have not had this much energy this early in the morning for a very long time. But for some reason, I think it's because I was away for a week, so I'm back in my condo. I'm feeling great. I feel excited to be home. I came back to all my fall decor, as you can see, so I'm just, I don't know, I'm excited. Before anything else, we're gonna light this candle from Walmart. Put it in the background, so it's like all pretty in the background. Can you even tell? So basically, last week, Tim and I stayed. Oh God, that just scared me. The tripod fell. At least the camera wasn't on the tripod when it fell. Also, I feel like there's just a million noises outside. Can you hear all that? Okay, so basically last week, Tim and I were staying in Vermont. His family has a house. I was working from there the whole week. So we got home Sunday night, just kind of relaxed, didn't do much, didn't really unpack anything. And then yesterday was such a crazy work day that I didn't really have time to do any work either. And then in the evening, we went over to my friend Larissa's house. Her and her boyfriend just bought a new house. I'm so excited. And Tim is actually helping them put in wood floors, and they're gonna be doing a whole redo, so I'll be sharing that with y'all. She said I could show all the renovations with you. So we got home late last night again, didn't feel like cleaning, did not feel like putting anything away or unpacking. So this morning when I woke up, I just had so much energy. I'm so excited and I want to get it all done. Outfit of the day. You're probably like, Kat, I don't care what you wear when you're cleaning, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you anyways. This little crop top is from TJ Maxx. These are the Lululemon Align leggings, and then just some white socks. What's your outfit of the day? Nothing. Bedroom is one of the most work that we have to do. You can see this is all dirty laundry, so more laundry. This picture is actually going to go above my makeup desk. This mirror, as you saw in some of my other videos, broke, or like it fell and cracked. I'm so sad. But I actually got this mirror from TJ Maxx, which I'm obsessed with. So I ended up switching out the one that used to be here. That's gonna go above my dresser. I just think this is so pretty. I love how it has the dark wood here and then the lighter wood. And then in the kitchen, oh gosh, it's so messy. At least we have a candle burning though, right? Yesterday when I was working, Tim went to the grocery store. He finishes earlier than I do, so he was able to go. So we have a lot of food. You can see up there, the fridge is full. There's like a whole bunch of food here, but it's just very dirty. Oh, and then there's my suitcase, which we'll have to unpack. But when you do come back from a trip, or if you're moving, I highly suggest before you go to unpack, clean everything, because if you try to unpack when your space is already a disaster, you're just gonna feel so much more overwhelmed. Everything's gonna seem like a mess around you. You're just gonna feel like you're adding to the mess versus cleaning it up. So first we're gonna start in the living room because this is the least messy and overwhelming. So I feel like once I get this done, it'll feel a little bit easier. Like that'll give me the momentum to keep going. Okay, so I know I just said we're gonna do the living room first, but I take that back because the first thing you should always do when you start a cleaning routine, if you have any laundry to do, is put that in the washing machine first. This just helps to condense the process, and while you're cleaning, the wash is going. Once you're done cleaning, hopefully the wash will be ready and you can go ahead and put the clothes away, or in my case, make the bed. Also, one of the reasons I wanted to post this video on Wednesday instead of waiting and just making it my normal Monday weekend or Monday video for next week is because next Monday is going to be my fall clean and decorate with me part 2, which I'm so darn excited about. As you can see, my tablecloth or my table setting isn't very fall, so that's one of the things we're going to be doing in that video. Okay, the living room, dining room are done. Now we're gonna do the kitchen because I'm kind of hungry and I want to be able to make myself breakfast, but I want to clean up before I make breakfast. So whenever you have a space that's extremely overwhelming, as my kitchen was for me today, the first thing I recommend doing is going through and taking out anything that doesn't belong in that space. So for example, there were some reusable bags on the floor. I put those in the mudroom and then went ahead, started with any food, and then we're gonna move on to the dishes. And as you can see, I had so many dishes built up that I could not fit them all in the dishwasher. So a little tip that I have, if this is the case for you, is don't leave the rest of them just piled up. At least rinse them off so whatever food is on them isn't going to stick to it. And then you can leave them in the sink nice and neat. So if you walk into your kitchen, it doesn't feel messy anymore. It at least looks a little bit put together. And then of course we got to move on to my favorite step, which is wiping down the counters. I don't know why I love this so much, but I do. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in apple cider, which is a fabulous scent for the fall time, by the way. And then we're just wiping it all down. I feel like for the longest time I struggled so much with drinking enough water. I always say to somebody when they say, oh, I don't know if I drink enough water, I'm like, if you're not tracking the amount of water you're drinking, you're probably not drinking enough. Because when I actually track it, I realize how much I don't drink enough water any other day. So basically I have this little notepad. Tim's brother's girlfriend actually gave this to me. Isn't this so cute? You got this, girl. Keep a pen up here, so I always have it. And then I write out the day, 8 little check boxes. Actually, I did forgot to check that box, but I did drink 8 glasses yesterday. And then I just check it off as I go, and I keep a glass, where is it? Right here, so that throughout the day, whenever I walk in the kitchen, I see that there, and it reminds me to fill this up, drink the glass, and then I can check off another box. So I know that was kind of random to this video, but if you do struggle with drinking enough water, I highly suggest that method. And now I'm just quickly gonna organize up there. Definitely need to update the top of my fridge. I know it looks super bad right now. I just kind of have everything thrown up there. I do want to get some sort of bins or I don't know, some sort of method, but for right now, this looks better than it did before. I like to sit here in my bedroom when I eat my breakfast lately. I don't know why, I just find it cozy. Callie was joining me on the pillows. Hi, baby. But I just finished eating my breakfast and now we are going to tackle the bedroom. Here again is just a little overview. It's not crazy, but not super clean either. What do you think? Are you gonna help clean? So change of plans. I realized I don't have any more of these command strips, which I need in order to hang this up there. But we do want to take, I need to take these out because we're going to be moving them over there. And then I'll try and go to the store later today or tomorrow or something to get more command strips. But we are going to do my mirror, and I actually want to show y'all a super cool little hack that I use whenever I'm hanging up a picture or a mirror or something. So you're just gonna take it, oh gosh, and flip it upside down. And then I'm just taking some blue painter's tape. I'm just gonna stick it like that. And then you just take a pen and make a little hole for each, where you wanna put each nail. And then you just stick it on. If you have a level, that would be ideal. I don't have one though, guessing it. It was difficult, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna wait until Tim got home. I was gonna be like, you know what, I'm just gonna need Tim's help, but I did it myself. Okay, I'm so excited. It does need to be cleaned though. So now it's time to unpack. So it's actually now like 5:30. I had to put a stall on the cleaning, so I had to start work. Now we are back at it. We're ready to finish off this video. As you can see, I still have not made my bed. We're gonna do that after this. The sheets have been dry for a while. back to bed. I said, okay. I gotta make the bed. Isn't she the cutest little? Go to the living room. Go say hi to Daddy in the living room. I'll be there in a minute. If you're still in the process of cleaning your space and you want more Clean With Me videos, I will have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked above me so you could just continue watching them and we can keep cleaning together. And I really hope that this motivated you to clean. I hope you got some inspiration. And again, if you are still cleaning, click the playlist above so we can keep cleaning together. And I love you all so much, and I will see you on Monday with my Fall Clean and Decorate With Me Part 2.